Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Love. Today let me introduce you to Vasa. It is known as Malabar nut in English, Adathodai in Tamil, Vasa in Telugu, Arusha in Hindi. It's a potent Ayurvedic plant that enhances the respiratory system. The plant has many curative properties, and it's an ultimate remedial measure for a lot of health anomalies like breathing trouble, cough, cold, nasal congestion, sore throat, asthma, bronchitis, and other respiratory tract problems and bleeding disorders. Vasa, which goes by the botanical name Adathoda vasica, is a tall evergreen herbaceous shrub that is not only found in Indian subcontinent, but it is distributed throughout Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Malaysia, Indonesia and China. So straightforward, let me come to the medical uses of the plant. First of all, it remedies cough and cold. Recurrent coughs and congested throat can cause a lot of discomfort and prevent a peaceful good night's sleep while making you feel tired and exhausted. Being rich in anti-inflammatory, antibiotic and expectorant properties, Vasa holds a high significance in treating the common cold, cough and flu symptoms. It also reduces chest and nasal congestion, gets rid of excess sputum and stops nasal discharge. It is highly effective in treating asthma, bronchitis, sinusitis and other respiratory illnesses. What you have to do is prepare a decoction of Vasa leaves by boiling it in water. Add a spoon of honey and drink it daily to prevent respiratory infections. Number 2, it promotes gut health. Vasa is a powerful digestive stimulant. The carminative and appetite stimulant properties of the herb help in breaking down food particles in the stomach and intestine, therefore promote the secretion of digestive juices and thereby increase the absorption of essential nutrients through the intestine. And the third most important use is it purifies blood. Being a potent cardiac tonic, the herb is extremely essential in purifying the blood. It effectively improves blood count, manages blood pressure and hence prevents a host of heart rhythm disorders. Fourthly, it prevents infections. The abundance of antimicrobial, antibacterial and antiseptic properties make Vasa the ultimate solution to ward off various infections. The bioactive components in Malabar nut tree bolster immunity and prevents bacterial infections. It not only helps in reducing the risk of various bacterial and fungal infections like fever, tuberculosis, dengue, etc., but prevents allergic conditions on the skin. It heals ulcers. Vasa leaves are famed for their anti-ulcer properties. It plays a pivotal role in reducing ulcers and sores in various parts of the body. It relieves pain and inflammation. Thanks to the strong analgesic, anti-inflammatory and pain relieving properties of the bioactive components, Vasa offers extensive relief from pain and inflammation in case of arthritis and joint pain. It treats uremia. Uremia is a chronic condition that arises due to a raised level of urea and other nitrogenous waste compounds in the blood that are normally excreted by the kidneys. Finally, Vasaka augments skin health. The host of antibacterial, antioxidant properties of Vasaka plays a crucial role in treating skin infections like acne, warts, boils, blisters, itching, etc. Beauty essentials imbued with Vasaka also improve complexion, clearing blocked pores and also reducing various signs of aging. Owing to its antiseptic nature, the juice obtained from Vasaka also prevents wounds and injuries and facilitates healing. The dosage is usually taken the leaf powder 1 to 3 grams. If you are using a flower extract 250 to 1000 milligram, Vasaka root powder 250 to 500 milligram, Vasaka leaf juice 5 to 10 ml, and if you are using leaf decoction 5 grams powder in a glass of warm water. Those who suffer from cough, cold, asthma, bronchitis, throat related ailments, Vasaka or Vasa plant decoction is an immediate cure. So if you want to improve your respiratory health, use the decoction of Vasaka or Vasa plant. So thank you for watching this episode. Yeah, keep watching. I'll be coming up with many more Ayurvedic plants. So this video is for education purpose only. If you are using the Ayurvedic plant in any form, take the advice of medical practitioner. Thank you.